Topping the news at 4:30, we're marking 1 year since the deadly Christmas blizzard, and we're focusing on the people who helped to save vives.
I met with Vivian and Al Robinson, who housed dozens in their sanctuary. And they just so happened to have food and beds in place for the masses. In the center of Lovejoy sits a church with a whole lot of love inside.
If we didn't open up that door, how many bodies would have been in this community by itself because they were here?
A beating heart that kept dozens of people alive.
We did not know that it was going to turn out the way it was going to turn out.
When the Christmas blizzard hit, the pastors of Spirit of Truth Urban Ministry, Al and Vivian Robinson, realized their church was on the only block that maintained power. So they posted an invite on a neighborhood Facebook page.
It was shared 1,770 times within just a few hours, and our phones just started ringing and ringing and ringing.
As background, this building is home to more than just a church. It's also home to the Robinsons themselves.
It was in this kitchen we cooked all the food.
Plus a full chef's kitchen and restaurant. And in the week leading up to Christmas, all the cupboards and fridges were full.
Yeah, it is a miracle, you know, it's a miracle of the Lord. I mean,
We have a large family. We're planning for a really robust Christmas, let's just say.
Not only that, but there just so happened to be dozens of mattresses laying around.
We have a sober living home that we had just sold to build a tiny house sober living village here in Buffalo. And so we had all these beds and stuff that were here that we put in storage.
So when people started showing up, the Robinsons were ready.
We opened the door up for a young family. She was pregnant. She was from Jamestown. Their vehicle had gotten stuck, and they walked to the church from wherever they were stuck.
In the meantime, a man with a snowmobile heard about the church.
I reached out to Al saying, listen, I'm in the area with my snowmobile, and is there anything I can do to help you while I'm in here? And sure enough, Al had a long list, and he said, you got any friends? And I was like, yeah.
Bill Kless made his way to Gold Street with his 3 friends who also own sleds. And while they were saving people to bring here, a call came in from a woman who couldn't walk just 3 blocks away.
And she said, please don't let me die here. Please don't let me die here.
Al decided he needed to get her. The problem? He broke his back in 2015.
I walked all the way down there, got her, and she just held onto me and dragged her legs through the snow all the way back until we got to the church. So that was like a moment that I know that was a God moment by definition, because there is no way on earth that I could have done that at all, not at all.
But you did it.
But I did it. So God was with me that day, and her.
we made like makeshift bedrooms in this room.
As the people poured in, Vivian gave the able and willing tasks. There was a triage area for people who were hurt. One person was in charge of the bathrooms. There were cooks in the kitchen.
It was just like a big family. I brought the TV out. We brought
the Xbox, you know, the kids were having a good time. Foosball, we just had, all the rooms were filled with bodies.
Some didn't speak English.
We had 4 different languages here, and one person was deaf and couldn't hear at all.
Some were on oxygen.
And they were sharing it as well.
More than 150 people would show up. And when they all woke up on Christmas Day, they were a family who all survived.
On Christmas Day, they didn't even discuss presents. They didn't even, presents was not even a topic on the table. It was like them enjoying each other and being alive.
It was a lesson that I learned of love that transcends any lesson that my wife and I could have learned apart or together in our lives. That it was love on a level that I did not know before that incident.
Afterward, the Robinsons received donations from people who stayed there and others who heard about their generosity. With that money, they bought military mattresses, toiletries, diapers, formula, and non-perishable food. They even bought this 60,000 kilowatt generator in case the power ever goes out. They are ready to be that sanctuary for any future storms that come their way.